warm good morning, my dear students. Welcome to chemistry digital class. Hope so you are fine and enjoying digital classes nowadays. Dear students, before going to start, let me congratulate you all. We have almost studying from last 5-6 months through these digital classes, and I felt very happy to see that all of you are taking interest and you are studying also, as your term 1 exam has finished, and the way response you have given in term 1, it is really appreciable, and I appreciated your work. Okay, so let's start today's topic. Dear student, as you know that we have already started our syllabus of term 2, in which first unit we are doing, that is haloalkane and haloarene, unit number 10. Already I have told you, and one video I have shared yesterday. Okay, that is related to YouTube link, but that video was very informative. If you understood that video, it will help us to understand this chapter also. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is introduction of haloalkane and haloarene. Dear student, as you know that the haloalkane and haloarene, it comes from two words, halo alkane and halo plus arene, in which halo word come from halogen group, which is group number 17, which carrying fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine as an elements. Alkane is hydrocarbon is the compound of carbon, okay, with hydrogen, and this is aliphatic group. Whereas here haloarene, halo is halogen again, arene is aromatic ring. You know very well about aliphatic ring. Aliphatic is single carbon chain without ring, whereas aromatic is carbon ring with unsaturated carbon bond, double bond. Okay, so before going to start this topic, let me relate or repeat or recapitulate whatever we did in the previous classes. We know very well organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deal with the study of organic compounds. So organic compound is basically the compounds of carbon and its derivatives. Derivatives are the element carbon with hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and halogen, etc. Okay, in which this is also known as hydrocarbon. Why it is called a hydrocarbon? Because this is the made up of hydrogen and carbon. That's why the organic compound is also known as hydrocarbon. Basically hydrocarbon is classified into two, aliphatic and aromatic. In +1 class we have already studied. Aliphatic is without ring chain. It is simply divided into saturated and unsaturated, whereas saturated is alkane. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2, single bonded carbon atom. Whereas unsaturated alkene and alkyne, alkene is CnH2n, bonded carbon atom, alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, triple bonded carbon. You know very well about this. Now aromatic is a ring structure. It can be benzene. So benzene is, if I will make simple way how benzene form, so it will be formed like this way. All the 6 carbon attached in a ring, at alternate carbon there is a double bond. Kind of ring is called benzene ring. It can be shown in this way also in some structure. So dear students, if I will talk about in this chapter particular in this syllabus of +2 class, so we are talking about hydrocarbon with carbon derivatives. Carbon derivatives are functional group, where if function group is halogen, the chapter we are talking, that is haloalkane and arene, you know very well. This chapter we are going to study, in which fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine will be functional group with alkyl group. Alcohol, where if aliphatic alcohol is there, then alcohol. If aromatic is there, then phenol. Aldehyde, RCOH, yes, CHO, whereas ketone is RC double bond O in the center and R. Carboxylic acid, RC double bond O or OH or COH we can say, whereas nitrogen compound is RNH2. RCN is cyno and RN2X is a diiso. So this is all about, this is, now we will talk in unit 10, this we will talk in unit 11, this we will talk in in 12, this we will talk about in 12 also, this is we will talk about in 13. Okay, so let's start the next topic, that is classification of classification and nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarene. So if I'll talk about haloarene, it is the replacement of H atom or atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom. Dear student, you know we studied last year, we have studied that C I can say C6H14 is hexane. If I'll talk it is hexane. To mean C6H13X is haloalkane. Here one hydrogen has replaced, you can say earlier hydrogen was 14, now it is 13. One hydrogen is replaced by X. So that kind of compound is called haloalkane. So RH, it is alkyl group, it is aromatic group, aryl group. Alkyl and aryl group will replace one hydrogen. It will release one hydrogen, make space for X halogen, and combining of halogen with alkyl. This combination of alkyl and halogen group is called haloalkane. R is haloarene is when aromatic is aryl here. Okay. So now same way, if we will talk about classification, basically classification need properly. The classification is what? It can be classified into three different ways. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. In which on the number of halogen, it depends on number of halogen. If one halogen is there, it is called monohaloalkane. If two halogen is called dihaloalkane. If three halogen is there, trihaloalkane. Similar way, on the basis of number of alkyl group, the haloalkane, haloarene can be classified on the basis of number of alkyl group. Number of alkyl group is this R. Here is 1, here 2, here you can see 3. If there is one alkyl, there is primary, this is called primary haloalkane. If 2 is there, there is secondary haloalkane. If 3 R is there, that is called tertiary haloalkane. Similar way, on the basis of type of hybridization, if I'll say, so on the type of hybridization, if carbon sp3 is there, basically it is single bonded carbon. Okay, this is single bonded carbon, this is double bonded carbon, and this is triple bonded carbon. You can see the formula: single bonded, here double bonded, here triple bonded. sp3 is always single bonded carbon, sp2 is always double bonded carbon, and sp3 is always triple bonded carbon. Okay, so this is all about. In detail you need to write it from your book. I'm just giving you idea about the classification. Now the nomenclature, you know very well, you started from 10th. In 10th also we did nomenclature, in plus 1 also we did nomenclature, now in plus 2 also we are doing nomenclature. In every chapter you will do. So in this nomenclature of haloalkane, haloarene, basically first rule is very simple. Nomenclature we will do on the basis of IUPAC or on the basis of Comber. If IUPAC, then same rule is there. Number of carbon we need to count, functional group we have to see, number of bond we have to see. Name of halogen is fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, which will be prefixed. Prefix mean ye pehle lagega. Like in this case, you can see chlorine is there, and this is called toluene. Okay, so two number at one, you can see at number 1 and 2. If I will take here one number, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. So at number 1 is CH3. So at number 2 is chlorine. So name become 2-chlorotoluene. 2-chlorotoluene. Here 3-chlorotoluene. 4-chlorotoluene. Okay. As per the position, we need to write first the name of halogen, then we will write the name of the compound. If I will talk one example, if I will take example of this CH3, CH2, Cl. So this is my one number, this is number 2. Then it will become chloro and 1, 2. 2 is eth, single bond, ane. Chloro, the name of this compound become chloroethane. Somewhere where talking about haloarene. Haloarene is a ring of aromatic with halogen group. So this is halogen group, this is aromatic ring. Okay, there the depend of position of chlorine. Like here chlorine position is with 1 toluene, 1 toluene, 1 toluene. But at number C2 Cl is there. If at number 2 Cl, the word is called ortho. If at number 3 is there, then meta. At number 4 is there, then para. Ortho, meta, para position is there. That's why the name become now, in place of 2 we will write now orthochlorotoluene. In place of 3 we will write metachlorotoluene. In place of 4 we will write parachlorotoluene. Okay, hope so you understood. Now second rule, or I can say the second type of nomenclature is common name, where germinal halide and bicinal halide is there. Bicinal halide is halogen atom of present on adjacent carbon. Germinal halide is germination, जहाँ से कार्बन जुड़ा हुआ है. तो halogen atom is present on the same carbon. Suppose here, if halogen group is attached with this carbon, this is called germinal. Okay, whereas in adjacent it will called bicinal. So it is name of this is N-propyl fluoride. N-propyl fluoride. Here you can see the halogen group is suffix propyl is first, alkyl is first. In common we will write alkyl first, that halogen later on, where in IUPAC we will write halogen first then alkane group. Okay, so neopentyl bromide, when all side carbon, all side CH3 is there, CH3 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 C CH2 Br. So you can see here is in around this carbon there is alkyl group, then it is called neopentyl. Allyl bromide is where at number alternate carbon there is double bond with bromine, then it is allyl bromide. Okay, so this is the general formula, general rule. Now some of the nomenclature is given in your book also, modern ABC book or whatever book you have. Dear student, today's work is this: you need to learn classification, you need to learn definition of haloalkane, haloarene, and you need to practice nomenclature by writing the name. Okay, and those whose turn is today, those whose conference call turn is there, they will make video. All of you will watch this video through YouTube channel and you will drop the comments. Okay, that will be your attendance. Otherwise I'm going to write you all, I will consider you all absent until you will not make video or until you will not drop in comment that YouTube you have understood or not. Okay, so this is all about. Now tomorrow we will do the next part, that is preparation and properties of haloalkane, haloarene. Then there is some important compounds. So these chapters are very very important, dear students. As you, I know I told you that interconversion, complete the reaction or uses type questions can come. So you need to understand the topic very carefully and by paying attention. Okay, and by sending your students reflection response. So okay, then this is all about. Take care. Hope so you understood this topic, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.